Okay, now the next thing we want to do is we want to set Maya up. A lot of people just think, okay, then we just start creating in Maya. But what you really want to do is Maya is set up to have a folder structure, and we want to set this folder structure up so that as we create things, they're saved in the correct folders, and as we bring in texture files, they're in the correct folder. So we want to go ahead and set Maya up for production. Now, setting it up is a two-stage process. First thing we want to do is go up here to File. I'll take that back. The first thing you want to do is to go over and have a folder set up that you're going to set your project in. So I've already set up a folder in here. It's called Setting Up Maya. It doesn't matter what it is. Just make a project folder. You might want to make you a folder that's for our class to keep things organized. And then you could do it by week or by project. You make subfolders in here. Okay, so may want to come in here and do a folder. This is going to be week 1, assignment 2. Okay, and we'll set up our project inside of that folder. Okay, so the reason we're doing that is we want to keep everything organized. Okay, so you go to File, and we go down here where it says Project Window. This little window will pop up, and these are all the folders it's going to make for us. Okay, see where this says Scenes? That's where Maya is going to save all of our scenes. So as we're working on a project, it'll save in there. See where this says Source Images? That's where we put all our texture files. Like we're going to be using a checkerboard pattern, so we want to put it in there. So anyway, these are all places that, like the autosave down here, Maya will automatically save files in there for you, backup files in case it crashes on you. All right, so it's going to make all these folders for me. So all I have to do is click right here to make a new project, okay? And we'll call this project Week 1, Assignment 2, okay? And then I'm going to click right here. And then I'm going to find my way back to that folder that I created, okay? And I'm going to hit Select, and I'm going to Accept, okay? Now, that's going to have created a set of folders for me. Okay, so it created all these folders in here for me to keep all my information in an organized manner. So now another thing you have to do is then you have to set the project to the folder. Okay, so we have to tell it, okay, this is the folder that we're using. Okay, and then set it. Okay, so now automatically when I come in here right now and I want to save this scene, okay, it automatically puts me into that scenes folder. Okay. All right. So now you've got Maya set up correctly. You've got Mental Ray set up. You've got a project folder set up. And now we're ready to go to our next thing. Okay. We're going to go back up to our Source Images folder. And then what we're going to do here is copy in that checker texture that I gave you. And that should be in your Source Images folder. Okay, so that's Scenes in your Scene folder and Source Images in your Images folder. Okay, so what will happen now is when I'm ready to come in here and I go File, Open Scene, so we'll be able to go into that Scenes folder, and right down here on Maya Scenes, we need to change this to Maya ASCII file because it's an ASCII file. And then there's the file. And so then we want to open that. I don't need to save the default one that was open when we opened Maya. And so here your file comes in. So now anytime I come in here and I want to save my scene, it's going to automatically put us into that scenes folder so everything is organized. This is one of the biggest problems I have with students is that they don't organize their files. And when they're trying to send me files for me to troubleshoot their files, it's all disorganized. Okay.